After adding an element to the flow, you'll need to tell the flow what to do with it. This is called data mapping. We'll build a flow that takes input from the end user and sends it out in an email. Start by changing the name of the flow. Click on the Start element and change the name in the Properties pane. Let's add a form. We'll cover how to work with forms later. For now, we'll just create a simple form. In the Properties pane, click Edit Form. Click the Map tab. Add a form header. We want the flow to send an email with the end user input data from the form, so we'll add an email element. Click the Map tab in the Properties pane. This is where you can specify where the email is being sent, what the subject of this email is, and what the content of the email will be, plain text or HTML content. In the content of the email, we want to send the information that was collected in the form. Drill down in the form to locate the content. In this case, we made a simple form so we have one option to report. In the navigation bar, save the flow. It will now appear in the Flows tab in the Builder pane. Let's test the flow. Click Run. A form will pop up asking for input. After you click Submit, the flow will continue to run. When it's complete, click on the bell icon to see the results. Clicking on the form will expose what content was submitted. Clicking on the email will expose the email content.